right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hopefully you guys are having a great rest of your day, start to your day, whatever time it may be. Y'all know the vibes. They teeing up over there. We're headed out to an early morning cars and coffee. Now, it was actually raining yesterday, and I got caught in it, which sucks. So the car is dirty, but it is what it is, man. I drive the car a lot, even in the rain sometimes, even though I shouldn't, but you know, it is what it is. But it should be some decent weather. It should be clear today, it should be clear tomorrow, then it might start raining again like Tuesday, something like that. Hopefully not, in all reality. Hopefully, you know, we get a little dry patch for like at least a week, because this previous week, whew, garbage with the weather, absolute garbage. It has been miserable. Oh, we got caught at the light. Damn. It has sucked. But if you guys are enjoying the content where we're going to Cars and Coffee, potentially getting some Mexico runs, feel free. Drop a like in the vid. Subscribe to the channel. And turn on those post notifications. There's some supercars going to this Cars and Coffee. Hopefully we can go ahead and catch one of them. Like either on the way there or on the way back. That'd be cool. Real cool, but hey, you never know, man. We almost did last week, but there's way too much traffic. Might be able to get it done today. I hope, because I've yet to run a supercar in this car, especially on this setup, and I think it'd be a pretty interesting run, especially since we're making, you know, we're making some steam now. We're making some steam now. We're hunting for supercars today, for real. So I'm gonna try to go ahead and leave when they all start pulling out. No cap. As soon as I hear those engines revving up, I'm running back to my car. I ain't lying. Might be able to catch a GT3RS or something like that, or a 911. Those guys in those Porsches like to get down too. I ain't gonna lie. The McLarens as well. Those guys like to get down. Those guys are like, I swear, like those dudes, they had Mustangs before they came into some money. I'll tell you that right now. All those McLaren guys, woo, they definitely had some money come their way before, you know, they got that McLaren, because they got Mustang blood, they got Corvette blood in their DNA, man. You got a C8, no, that's a C7 actually, in the HOV lane. I've actually never seen people take that, which is kind of funny. I don't even think it's worth, like, what's the point? You gotta pay for that, and it's like not even like packed right now. Yesterday, man, it was bad. It was real bad yesterday. Alright, well, it's actually not too bad over here, but you know, acting a fool up on this side of town is kind of crazy, just for the fact that, oh, this fella is fucking flying, brother. I need to turn too. Alright, there we go. Just for the fact that they be on this toll road pretty heavy. So I'll catch y'all when we kind of get closer to the spot, or somebody pulls up not in like the quote-unquote danger zone.
One eternity later.
Alright, we're about to pull up. Should be pretty decent. Not too warm out. It's only 86. It's only 86. It's not even 9 in the morning yet. God dang. this actually might, unless it's, I don't know. Unless they have more spots blocked than I think. No, it's definitely more packed today. They got everything blocked off. It's definitely packed. It's a Whipple F-150 right there. Yeah, this is actually way more packed than I thought it was gonna be. Oh my gosh. Way more packed. I did pull up when it was kind of already going for, oh, watch where you're going, man. Yeah, only 30 minutes. It's not even 9 o'clock yet. This guy lost his mind parking the CTSV next to 2 trucks. Good luck with that, brother, man. Mustang right there. I don't even trust that. Back over here. You know why? Because a lot of these cars and coffees are literally filled with little kids who, like, I don't really think they know what they're doing as far as, like, don't touch people's cars, leaning on people's cars. You already know those SUVs, those trucks, they probably got like a family of 5, they got 3 kids, gonna be all up on your shit. I'm like, nah, bro, I ain't with that. It's cool, but I'm not with all that. All right, y'all, let's see what's here, man. Park my car in the back. Hopefully, watch like an SUV and a truck parked next to me. I'd actually be kind of pissed. See what we got here, y'all. Got a ProCharge 5th gen right here. D1SC. That's what I had in the Shelby GT350. On the D5 drag pack, looks pretty good, I ain't gonna lie. C606. Lowered. S650s. Shit, we got a Cobra back over there. We got an FRS that's lowered. That's definitely on bags, I'll tell you that right now. C7. I probably could have got in, but I decided just to park in the back. A lot of 5th gens pulled up today. We got a Mach over there. A C8. Another C6E. Got a Grand Sport. I don't know, man. I don't know if I would get a Grand Sport or a C606. See, like, the cool thing would be to get a C606, but the smart decision would be to get the Grand Sport because I know I'm going to boost it. And it's technically the better option. Technically. But Gen 3 cars over there. This is actually pretty sick right here. I don't know, I'd probably still boost the C6Z. 700 horsepower in that. Be pretty legit. It's pretty good. But it would be smart to do like pistons and rods in it with sleeves. And that's a shitload of money. Well, actually, you know what? I don't even know. Maybe it's not that bad with the LS's. Somebody let me know in the comment section. This MR2 is actually incredibly clean. Damn. This probably is the best kept MR2 I've seen in a while. Oh, look at these GT3RS's. Ooh, Skyline with the carbon fenders is good. See when I hear one.
I wouldn't worry about it. There's just so many forces coming.
That Stingray's clean. Oh shit. Badass. I like that a lot. That's one of those cars, if you know, you know. I would get rid of the S650 right now for that. And I'm not even lying. If that dude said, hey man, let's trade keys, I say, take it. Give me that. I would keep that. I would hold on. That'd be the. I'd hold on that car forever, bro. That thing is clean as fuck, bro. That'd be an amazing daily. Flex like crazy daily in that thing. Not bad though, not bad. I'm about to get caught in the rain, y'all. Shit. It's starting to come down as far as like the weather. The wind. Yeah, this wind's getting crazy, bro. Mustang is tech.
moments later.
So in typical Houston fashion, it is now raining and I am caught in the rain on Mickey Thompson ET Street SS's, which is something that I didn't really want to have happen. It's happened before. I'm actually just gonna go ahead and pull over to a Buc-ee's because I'm hungry, and I'm just gonna let it like pass. I've driven in the rain before, but I don't want to be driving like when it's actually like coming down hard on the Mickeys, just because, you know, it could get sketchy, you know. Then you got to go ahead and watch out for not only, you know, puddles on the ground, you got to watch out for, you know, other people on the road as well. So oh my lord. Damn, bro. People like that are sketch. They just ride on the side and just like shoot the water up, brother. So yeah, we gotta be super careful. I'm driving like 40 and under, I'll tell you that right now. Cannot believe I got caught in the rain. That's Houston for you. It was not supposed to rain today. It's supposed to be clear, but it's raining. I bet you it isn't raining in Houston. Technically in Houston land area, but I bet you it isn't raining where I'm at or where I'm from. Damn, bro, I really had to do this. And what do you know, y'all? Back at my side of town, it is sunny and completely dry outside. Houston in a nutshell, let me tell you, man. Sunny, dry, it's 90 out right now. You going crazy in there. You going crazy in that car. Yeah, Houston is something else, man. This weather is nuts, I'll tell you that right now. Dries up everywhere by tonight. I'm trying to get active tonight, no cap. But obviously, if it starts to rain again, that's cooked. But we should be good. We should be good for the rest of the day. And honestly, tomorrow, I hope we're good tomorrow too. Hopefully. Tomorrow's Father's Day too. Alright, made it back to the casa, man. Woo! This weather is bipolar as hell out here in Houston. But if you enjoyed the video, feel free. Drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications, and remember, stay safe out there, y'all. I'm gonna catch you in the next video. Deuces.